Seedance 2.5 is finally live on Dreamina, and this could be a major shift for AI video creation. Instead of generating short clips and hoping the AI gets everything right, Seedance 2.5 gives you much more control. You can use up to 50 image, video, and audio references, generate up to 30 seconds of continuous video in one shot, create videos up to 3 minutes with long video mode, control scenes with time-stamped prompts, and even edit specific parts of your footage. And because it's built by ByteDance, Dreamina is the first platform to launch Seedance 2.5 globally. In this video, I'm testing all of these features and showing you exactly how to use Seedance 2.5 inside Dreamina. So, I'm here on the Dreamina Seedance 2.5 homepage, and before we start creating, let me quickly show you what you're getting with this new model. Seedance 2.5 is designed to give you much more control over the entire AI video creation process. You can use up to 50 multimodal references in a single generation, including images, videos, and audio. So instead of trying to describe everything you want through a prompt, you can actually show the model what you're looking for. You can also generate up to 30 seconds of continuous video in one shot, or use Dreamina's long video mode to create videos of up to 3 minutes. Then you have timestamp controls, which let you specify what should happen at different points in your video, and Smart Edit, which lets you make targeted changes to specific parts of your footage instead of regenerating everything. And the best part is that you get access to the full Seedance model lineup directly through Dreamina, making it one of the most cost-effective places to access and create with these models. So if you want to try Seedance 2.5 yourself, you can get started by clicking the link in my bio, signing up for a Dreamina account, and accessing the model directly from the platform. Now, let's put Seedance 2.5 to the test. For my first test, I'm going to create a realistic cinematic fashion commercial. From the Dreamina homepage, I'll go to AI Video, then select the Model section and choose Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Once that's selected, make sure you're using Omni Reference. This is where we can bring multiple types of references into the same generation, including images, videos, and audio. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, select the available video quality, and set the duration to 30 seconds. For this first test, I've already prepared the assets I want to use. I've got a reference for my model, the perfume bottle, the location, outfit, music, and voiceover. I've also prepared a camera shot reference to guide the camera movement. You can upload up to 50 reference assets. I'm going to upload all of these into the Omni Reference. Now for the prompt, I'm going to describe exactly how I want this commercial to unfold, including the character's movement, the camera direction, the environment, and the overall cinematic style. I'm using timestamps in the prompt to control how the scene develops, so let's see how Seedance 2.5 handles the full 30 seconds. And here's a useful part of the workflow. Once your references are uploaded, you can use the @ symbol inside your prompt to bring up your attached assets and connect them to specific instructions. So, if I'm talking about the perfume bottle, I can tag the product reference. If I'm describing the model, I can tag her reference. And I can do the same with the other assets. That way, Dreamina knows exactly which reference I'm talking about at each point in the prompt. Everything is set. Let's hit Generate and see what Seedance 2.5 does with all of these references. And here's the result.
Some moments deserve more than a memory. A fragrance can capture the feeling of a beautiful place, the confidence you carry, and the moments you never want to forget. Every detail tells a story. The way the air feels, the way a single scent can bring you back to a moment in time. Discover a fragrance created for quiet confidence. Arel, crafted for the moments that stay with you. Some moments deserve more than a memory. A fragrance.
Honestly, this looks really good. And from here, you have options to extend the video or make edits to the result, so you're not necessarily stuck with the first generation. You can, likewise, download it immediately. But let's say I want to change one small detail in this shot. Instead of regenerating the entire video, I can use Dreamina's smart editing to target that specific part. I'll select the timestamp, draw a box around the object I want to change, and tell Seedance 2.5 to replace it with another while keeping the character, lighting, camera movement, and background unchanged. For instance, I want to make the contents of this perfume bottle to be blue. Let's see the result.
Some moments deserve more than a memory. A fragrance can capture the feeling of a beautiful place, the confidence you carry, and the moments you never want to forget. Every detail tells a story. The way the air feels, the way a single scent can bring you back to a moment in time. Discover a fragrance created for quiet confidence. Aurel, crafted for the moments that stay with you. Some moments deserve more than a memory.
And that's a much more practical way to refine a generation when you only need to change one element. One tip though, take your time with the prompt before you hit generate. The more clearly you describe the scene, the characters, the camera movement, and what you want to happen, the less time you'll spend regenerating different versions to get the result you want. You can ask Claude or ChatGPT to help you with your prompting. So now that we've seen what we can create with multiple references, let's push Seedance 2.5 a little further. For the next test, I wanted to see how well Seedance 2.5 could handle a more emotional, story-driven scene, so I'm creating a marriage proposal. I've prepared my character references, the location images, and a proposal video reference to guide the movement and pacing of the scene. I'll upload everything into Omni Reference, then tag each reference in the prompt where I want it to be used. The idea is to have the couple walking through a beautiful outdoor location before the man stops, gets down on one knee, and surprises her with the ring. Let's generate it. Now, take a look at this.
This place is beautiful.
I know. There's something I want to ask you. I've been waiting for the right moment to tell you this.
What is it?
I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, of course. Congratulations! Finally!
I think this is really good. There was a slight glitch towards the end, and as with AI, I can always regenerate to fix it. This is where I think Seedance 2.5 becomes really interesting for creators and businesses. You can take the visual assets you already have and turn them into polished, realistic videos without having to start a completely new production every time. If you want to try Seedance 2.5 yourself, click the link in my bio to get started with Dreamina, and I'll leave the full working prompt for one of these showcases in the comments so you can test the workflow yourself.